Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skate 3 with friends. First, make sure your console is connected to the internet, as online play is essential. All players need a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. Once connected, launch Skate 3 and head to the main menu. From there, you'll find the options to access multiplayer features and start your session with friends. To get started, choose Online Free Play from the Multiplayer menu. This allows you to either create a new session or join an existing one. If you're hosting, you can easily invite friends using your console's built-in friend list. If a friend is hosting, simply accept their game invitation to jump right into the action and start skating together. Skate 3 offers several exciting multiplayer modes to enjoy with your friends. Dive into party play for casual fun or tackle co-op challenges to work together. For competitive action, try Death Race or Own the Spot to see who can achieve the highest scores. You can also unleash your creativity in the park editor and build custom skate parks as a team. For the best experience, utilize voice chat to communicate effectively with your friends, especially during challenges. Don't hesitate to adjust game settings to optimize performance and ensure everyone has a smooth, enjoyable time. Remember, a good connection is key for uninterrupted gameplay. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.